The headlight switch is located on the lever on the left side of the steering column. The daytime running lights illuminate with the engine on and the parking brake released. If the parking brake is applied before the engine is started, the daytime running lights do not illuminate. However, they will illuminate once the parking brake is released. To turn on your front parking lights, tail lights, license plate light, and instrument panel lights, turn the headlight switch to this position. To turn on the front headlights, turn the switch to this position. All the other lights will stay on. To turn on your high beam headlights, push this lever forward. You'll see a blue indicator light illuminate. Pull it back toward you to return to low beam. The blue indicator light will turn off. To make your high beam headlights flash on and off, pull the lever toward you and release it. Your vehicle is equipped with the auto light system. You can preset the headlights to automatically operate based on exterior lighting conditions. To activate this system, move the headlight switch to the auto position and push the ignition switch to the on position. To turn the system off, turn the headlight switch to any other setting. The auto light system will also keep the headlights on for a period of time after you push the ignition switch to the off position. There is a light sensor that controls the auto light system on the top of the instrument panel. Keep this area clear of papers and other material. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.